In your Tesla, the arrival battery percentage is the target charge level you want your car to reach at your destination or a supercharger. It's designed to optimize energy use, prevent overcharging, and ensure you have enough range. To change it, first access the navigation screen, either through the car's touchscreen or the Tesla app. Plan your route to a supercharger or your final destination. On the route map, select the charging stop. You'll see a charge to slider or a field where you can input a specific percentage. Adjust this to your desired arrival battery level. Confirm your setting and start navigation. The car will now stop charging at the percentage you set. As of late 2024, Tesla's software, version 2025.40.x, features enhanced predictive charging algorithms that dynamically adjust arrival percentages based on real-time data and driving conditions, making this feature even more efficient. Setting the correct arrival battery percentage offers several benefits. It can extend battery life by avoiding high charge levels, particularly beneficial when using superchargers. Lower percentages reduce thermal stress during fast charging, increasing the long-term health of your Tesla's battery. Sustainability is also a key factor, with Tesla pushing for green charging that prioritizes renewable energy sources, dynamically adjusting percentages based on grid carbon intensity. Looking ahead, Tesla's full self-driving FSD will likely automate charging decisions based on user preferences. By 2030, Tesla may even incorporate V2G, vehicle-to-grid technology, allowing you to export energy back to the grid. This feature is evolving from a simple utility tool to a core component of smart energy management within the Tesla ecosystem.